Hi guys, welcome back again to David's tutorial, and today I will show you how to download any application on your Android TV.
Hey y'all, so to download other apps in your Google or Android TV is that you just go and navigate to your application right here. Or, yes. But if you can see that, just scroll down, then go to your apps, then head on the right corner. On the very right corner, you can see the add application. Press on that, and then search for apps and games. So right here you can just search what kind of apps or games you want. But if you can't search it from here, you can't navigate it, you can download a downloader in order to download it via that downloader. So I suggest you to download this downloader.
Results for downloader.
I would suggest you to install this downloader by AFTV News if there's an application that you can see directly installing from your TV. And that's all.